Today I'm going to show you a simple and quick chicken marinade. Perfect to liven up a chicken breast or for the chicken kebabs, for the barbecues. And here is what you need. Obviously some chicken breast, half a lemon, some seasonings, coarse sea salt, coarse black pepper, some Herbes de Provence or mixed herbs, some mayonnaise, yes you heard me, mayonnaise, and some extra virgin olive oil. So first of all, just put your chicken in your bowl, then add the mayonnaise. For a couple of chicken I will use about 3 nice dollop. There you go. Squeeze half a lemon on it. There you go. Little seasoning, salt, nice pinch, a nice pinch of black pepper, and a good helping of Herbes de Provence or mixed herbs goes in it. And to top it up, just be generous with the olive oil. And all you have to do now is mix it. There you have it, quick and easy. You can prepare this in advance or that is ready to use. And the beauty of this marinade is it keeps the chicken very moist on the barbecue especially. So try it up and let me know. Voila. For more recipe tips or infos, please visit steflechef.com and thank you for watching.